Look at those faceless YouTube channels pulling in millions of views month after month with just mysterious stories, visuals, and smart use of AI. These channels are attracting huge audiences, sparking endless debates in the comments, and earning thousands of dollars every single month, all while staying completely faceless. And today I am going to show you exactly how you can do the same. And the niche I am talking about is paranormal or Area 51 stories. The process is as simple as combining a few AI tools with a bit of creativity. Let's break it down step by step. First, create a new channel dedicated to the paranormal Area 51 niche and a bit of branding, your channel art, profile picture, and logo, so viewers instantly recognize your theme. So this niche is a gold mine for ideas. You can cover UFO sightings, alien encounters, Area 51 conspiracy theories, strange government experiments, or paranormal activity around the Nevada desert. Research trending paranormal videos on YouTube or just use ChatGPT to generate endless inspiration. For example, you could prompt, "Give me 10 original paranormal story ideas about Area 51 for a faceless YouTube channel." Boom, you get a list of ready-to-use ideas. So once you have your topic, it's time to bring it to life. We are going to use Vexub.com. This platform is perfect for creating these mysterious, high-engagement videos. Here is how. Let's go to the Vexub.com dashboard, click on Create a Video, and then select Text to Video and click on Go to Step 2. After that, choose the format. For shorts, TikToks, and Reels, go with vertical format, then click on Go to Step 3. Here you can choose your narrator and AI voice. Since it's paranormal content, you might want to pick a deep, slightly mysterious tone or even clone your own voice for extra personality. Now I am going without the narrator and selecting this voice. Next, go to Step 4 to generate your script. Give your title and a description or prompt. For example, a lost military tape from Area 51 showing a strange creature escaping a hidden lab. Click generate, and within seconds you have a complete script. You can tweak it or replace it with your own. Once you're happy, go to Step 5 and choose your image style. We have got several options here. For now, let's select realistic and see how it works. Then click start generation. After that, Vexub AI will create the video for you in just a few moments. As you can see, the video is ready. Let's play a little bit.
What if a creature from Area 51 just escaped? The tape crackles to life, revealing a dimly lit lab filled with strange equipment and scientists bustling about. Suddenly, a loud alarm pierces through the chaos. You see it. An otherworldly being, tall and slender, with glistening skin that seems to change color in the flickering light. It darts across the room, evading the startled researchers who barely comprehend what they're witnessing. Footage shakes as the camera manically zooms in on its elongated limbs and large, unblinking eyes.
It's actually pretty good. You can fine-tune it, adjust sound and subtitles, regenerate specific visuals, or replace scenes with stock footage. When you are satisfied, click export, then download the video in your hard drive. You can also grab the thumbnail which Vexub generates. Now that you have generated the video, it's time to upload your videos regularly. Over time, this niche snowballs as curious viewers keep coming back for more mysterious content. Just go to Vexub.com, check out their subscription packages, and start creating your faceless paranormal Area 51 channel. That's all for today. Leave a thumbs up for me, subscribe for more AI faceless content creation tips, and I will catch you in the next video.